Hey guys, welcome to another Roblox. Oh, there's my friend. Anyway, as I was saying, welcome to another Roblox video. Um, I am playing Team Fortress 2. Which is it's a really fun game, and that's my friend. Let's see. I wonder if he recognizes me. Yeah, I'm gonna get my minigun out. Hey, bruh, what's up? I'm gonna snipe you. Why is it? Oh, you guys can't hear it, but who? Alright, anyway, I don't know why, but I can't chat right now. It's a little weird. Um, oh, what? What? How? How did they get here? How did they get here already? Really? Alright, now this calls for a sniper. Here we go. Hey, bro. Alright. Sniper. Let's do this. No. I just realized I'm typing up there. Ah, there we go. There we go. There's my sniper rifle. Oh, well, if we're going like this, then I'm gonna go for Demo Man. So anyway, I'm gonna talk a little bit about Team Fortress 2. So what it is it's basically like, well, I shouldn't say basically, it is a role-playing game that's a heck of a fun. It's also really cool to play because I just got fragged. It's also really cool to play because you get to like pick different, you get to like pick different roles in the game, like scout, soldier, pyro, demoman, heavy, medic, sniper, spy, scout. I already said scout. Engineer, and really, it's just really fun to play because you get to like do different stuff and have a ton of fun. Anyway, I am currently, what am I currently? I believe I am currently a scout, but now I'm not because now I'm gonna be a heavy. And every time I switch like this, it tells me I've been fragged, but really I haven't. So it's a little weird. And also every time I play like this, I'm always like this, like I can't scroll out, so that's a little weird too. But really, it's mostly a really fun game to play. Like now I'm killing these guys. Oh, 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 bye. Bye, oh, I'm about to get fragged. Oh god, they see me. They see me. No! No, they see me. No. No. Oh god, that was close. You guys can't hear. Oh shoot. I'm about to be fragged if I don't move out. Ah! No! Danabbit! I'm a sniper now. I don't want to be a sniper. Come on, respawn already. Let's go. Oh, there I am. Wait. What? How? How? Why am I fragged? Oh, wait. It was... Oh, false alarm. My bad. I'm gonna go around the back. I'm gonna snipe him. What does the dispenser even do anyway? Ah, no. Like, dispensers are kind of weird because, like, you don't, you don't really get anything from them. Like, all it does is just take up space there. I don't know why people are required to build it. What is, what's the, why? Oh, you have to be really careful here. I almost shot my own guy. Huh, that would've been real funny. Okay, because I forgot I'm on red. Whoa. Hey, catchy motto. If it's not red, it's dead. Huh. That's actually kind of funny. Actually, no, demo man. Why? Why? Why does that always make you fragged? Every time. Oh, jeez. Anyway. Sorry, I'm just like trying to do something here. But anyway, yeah, it's a pretty fun game. There's not really much to do but go around and kill people. You know, it's like it's kind of fun, but you can get bored of it once you play for a while. That's kind of what I'm starting to feel. Grenade. Need a grenade. No! What? How? No, I want nose. Damn nabbit. Right there. Oh, sniper's still not free. Cause I was looking at scout. Alright, minigun. And look at this thing. What is this? Nothing. Alright, let's do this. No! Sniper. Stupid. I want a sniper. I want to be a sniper, but I can't. Soldier. Alright, here we go. What is that? Something weird. Dang, somebody's glitching. Either something is glitching, or I don't know what. Wait, I'm red, right? Okay. Dang, they almost got me. Dang, I'm about to be fragged if I don't move out. Ah. Alright. On that bad note, I'm gonna wrap it up for another one of my awesome Roblox videos. And see you next time.